What's up, YouTube? This is my first video that I've done in quite some time, so I come here with a purpose. I'm planning on doing some work on my swimming pool. Yeah, that's actually not my pool. That's not actually my backyard. This is not actually sponsored by a house, but I found this cool background to use for the video, so here we go. Anyways, I'm planning on doing a project to to fix this skimmer in my pool. I'm going to be using flex paste to fix the crack. So before I do it, I'm doing it about a week or so from now. I'm curious, has anyone actually done this before? What have your results been? And yeah, any issues, any problems over time? I'm going to do this. I'm going to post a video about it and post my results, but I hope to hear some feedback from somebody. Yeah. Take care.